Get to know best 10 different pliers. In this video, we will explore the world of pliers and delve into the 10 most common types that you should consider adding to your toolkit. Number 1. Needle-nose pliers. Needle-nose pliers, also known as long-nose pliers, are characterized by their slender, pointed jaws. These pliers are perfect for reaching into tight spaces, holding small objects, and gripping delicate materials. They're commonly used in electronics, jewelry making, and intricate mechanical work. Number 2. Slip-joint pliers. Slip-joint pliers are incredibly versatile due to their adjustable pivot point, which allows you to switch between different jaw widths. They're great for both holding and gripping objects of various sizes. These pliers are a staple in many toolboxes, suitable for everyday tasks around the house. Number 3. Tongue-and-groove pliers. Tongue-and-groove pliers, often referred to as channel-lock pliers, have an adjustable jaw similar to slip-joint pliers. However, their design provides a more secure grip on larger objects. These pliers are commonly used for plumbing tasks and working with pipes of different diameters. Number 4. Diagonal pliers, wire cutters. Diagonal pliers, also known as wire cutters, are designed for cutting through wires and small-gauge materials. Their angled jaws make it easy to access tight spots, and they're essential for electrical work, crafting, and cutting zip ties. Visit our website www.ryb.com.pd to know more about this tutorial and download PDF file. Number 5. LINESMAN pliers. LINESMAN pliers, sometimes called combination pliers, have a gripping section near the pivot and a cutting section closer to the jaw tips. They are highly useful for gripping, bending, twisting, and cutting tasks. Electricians often use LINESMAN pliers for handling wires. Locking pliers, VISE-GRI pliers. Locking pliers, or VISE-GRI pliers, are designed to lock in place once you have clamped them down on an object. This makes them ideal for tasks that require a sustained grip or for holding objects in place. They come in various styles, such as curved jaw and long nose, each suited to specific applications. Number 7. Flat-nose pliers. Flat-nose pliers have flat, squared-off jaws, making them great for gripping and bending flat surfaces. They are commonly used in jewelry making, crafting, and manipulating sheet metal. Number 8. Round-nose pliers. Round-nose pliers feature conical jaws that taper to a point, allowing you to create loops, curves, and bends in wires and other materials. They are indispensable in jewelry making and wire work. Number 9. Bent-nose pliers. Bent-nose pliers have jaws with a distinct angled bend, making them useful for accessing tight spaces and achieving precise angles. These pliers are particularly handy in electronics, beading, and other intricate tasks. Number 10. Snap ring pliers. Snap ring pliers, also known as retaining ring pliers, are specialized tools designed for installing or removing snap rings. These rings are commonly found in machinery and equipment, making these pliers essential for mechanical work. All product links shown in this video will be given in the description box. If you like this video, then please support us by giving your opinion in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.